Michael just had a long day today, and his mind is filled with thoughts about the past and worries about the future. So he chose to go for a bike ride in search of a quiet place to do a 5-minute exercise to find clarity. Michael decided to make a stop at a lovely looking tree that had just the right amount of sunlight. That way, he can rest his body while regaining consciousness to his human spirit. Excellent choice, Michael. As he made his way across the grass, he admired the tree trunk and the entirety of the environment around him. Michael has been needing a moment like this, a moment to take a seat and admire the lovely planet that he has been so privileged to be a part of and feels grateful to call his home. As Michael gazed out into the distance, his peripheral vision caught a glimpse of a vibrant-looking flower. Oh yes, a dandelion, he thought to himself as he twirled the stem of the small flower between his 2 fingers. After acknowledging his surroundings, Michael will close his eyes to dive deeper into serenity. Now, Michael will listen carefully to the sounds that he hears around him and become fully immersed into the nature that holds him upright. Today, the greenway was so quiet that you could only hear the birds calling in the distance, but Michael wasn't complaining. He was simply glad that he was able to take a peaceful 5-minute rest underneath the old pine tree. Michael is now one with the tree, the grass, and planet Earth itself. Once Michael opens his eyes, he has now completed his mindfulness practice and regained full consciousness to his human spirit. Now it's time for a new beginning, a new path for Michael to continue his journey. Michael left the old pine tree feeling more energized and quite frankly more excited to carry on his bike riding journey. He thought about how lucky he was to live in such a beautiful neighborhood and proved to himself that it's the smallest things in life that are the most beautiful, yet we still take it for granted. Michael thought about this concept all the way up until he arrived back home. Once he finally got to his bedroom, his mind felt clear. In fact, it felt the clearest it's been for a very long time.